trim out. Okay, that how it will work, that I can show you. Okay, now I am going to open the AutoCAD electrical with double left click on that particular icon. So I hope AutoCAD electrical is visible to all. Okay, so this is the user interface of the AutoCAD electrical. This is a ribbon bar, and this is the project manager, and here we can see the recent drawing. Okay, and from here we can open the drawing, or we can create the new drawing. Okay, this option is available in the plain AutoCAD as well, but the main important thing is here the project manager is not available in the plain CAD. Okay, so these are the projects which are in the project manager list. Extra library demo, GB demo, IC demo, or are the sample projects that we usually get when we install the AutoCAD electrical. Okay, and you can see here uh, the details of that particular project, like location, where it is stored. Okay, and when we will expand that project, we will get the number of drawings which are created under that project. Okay, when we will click on that particular drawing, again here we can see the file name, location, file size, when it is last saved. Okay, and as I will move the cursor on that particular icon, you will get the information about that option. Like you can see here details. If I will move on next icon, you can see the function of that icon, that is preview. Once I will click on preview, you can see the small picture of that AutoCAD drawing. This is the demo 1. When I will navigate to the demo 02, you can see the picture is get changed. Okay, like demo 3, this picture again get changed. Okay, and project file don't have any preview, as only drawing have preview. Okay, so when I will go to the project, so only details we can see. You can see here the extension file of that project is a WDP. Okay, please keep in mind this is a very important concept. Mostly in interview this question is asked. And the project and the extension file of the drawing is DWG. Okay, this is the difference. DWG is the file extension of the particular drawing, and WDP is the file extension of the project. Okay, and here we have a third option, that is drop down. When I will click to that option, that preview and details will remove out. If we have multiple drawings that is opened in the project manager, that is consider 20 numbers, 30 numbers, and if you want to navigate to the 20 numbers of drawing, so in that case we can remove this portion. And if you want to open again, so I will click here, so you can see the details preview. Okay, so to open the our workspace, so we need to open any drawing, right? So what I will do, I will open this project. Under this project there are two folders, schematics and panel. So I will go with the schematic, and randomly I will open drawing number 1. So you can see all are the functions are enabled. Earlier it was not enabled. You can see here. Initially the screen was like this. Okay, so at that time only open project was enabled and all other are the disabled except refresh function, right? So I have opened one drawing from the GB demo project. For time being I will close this. So you can see around 22 numbers of drawings are in that schematic folder under the GB demo project, correct? Now we have opened drawing number 1 and I want to navigate to the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how to navigate from 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, that I will show you here. Okay, under ribbon bar there are different options like home, project, schematic, panel, report, import export, electromechanical conversion tool, and so on. The home ribbon is same as that of the our plain AutoCAD, and from project, schematic, panel, report, these are the added tab in the AutoCAD electrical. Okay, so under project tab there are again different options, right? You can see manager, copy, delete, zip, uh, update, retag. Okay, here we have option to move or to navigate to the next drawing or to navigate to the previous drawing. Now the drawing number 1 is open from the schematic folder of GB demo project. Now I want to move to the drawing number 2, so I will simply click here. That is not navigated because you can see the error here, active drawing not in active project. So our project should be activated, otherwise this function will not work. Okay, so how to identify the project is activated or not? Okay, in the project list the one which is on the first number is the activated. Now the GB demo project is on the serial number 3rd, correct? So this is not activated. Currently the test project 09042025 is activated. Okay, so the next drawing function is not working, right? You can see here active drawing is not in active project. So if you want to activate that a particular project, what we can do, simply select that project and then right click. You can see here so many options are there, and out of that the first one is activated. Once we will activate that project, that GB demo project is directly move to the project number 1 and move to the top of the project. Currently test project is on the serial number 1. This is the activated, right? So I am going to activate the GB demo project, correct? So simply left click here. Now you can see the GB demo project is the serial number 1 project. Earlier the test project 09042025 was here, correct? So from here we can assume that the GB demo project is activated. Now I will expand this project and you can see the drawing number 1 is opened in the workspace, correct? Now I want to navigate to the drawing number 2. I will use this option. You can see drawing number 2 is open here. Again I will use next drawing command. You can see the drawing number 3 is open, and from here also you can compare that 003 is little bit bold then the 002, 001, or 4, 5 other drawing. So here from here also you can recognize that the 003 drawing is opened here. You can see again I will move toward the next drawing from 3 to 4. You can see here how the font of 004.dwg will get changed. Okay, see. Okay, earlier 003 was little bit bold than the other drawings. Now 004.dwg is the little bit bold. Correct. So from here also we can open directly drawing. Like if I want to open drawing number 11 directly, I will double click, left double click. You can see 11 number drawing is open. So what is difference to open the drawing from here and from here? Okay, when I use this option, then what will happen? The drawing which is open already, that is closed, and the next drawing is open. Okay, but when I will open from here directly, the existing drawing will not get open. Correct. Again I will show you. Now drawing number 11 is open. I will now go with the previous drawing. So what will happen? The drawing number 11 will get closed and 10 number will get open. See here, the drawing number 10 is open. Correct. If I will open drawing number 12 from project manager option, or 11, let us consider this is the next to the 10, from here directly project manager instead of using this option. So 10 will not get closed. Okay, 11 is opened in the new window. So this is the difference to open the drawing from the project manager and from next drawing option. Okay, so I hope it is clear now. Now I will close to avoid the confusion. Now we will focus on how to create the new project. Okay, so here we have an option like open the project. The second option, as soon as I will move the cursor on that icon, you can see the description. This is the new project. This is the new drawing. This is the refresh. Okay, if you forgot any function, so you can directly move to the cursor on that icon. You will come to know what is that function. Okay, this is how you can find the your function what you want to do. So now we will focus how to create the new project. Simply I will single left click. We have a one pop-up here, right? Create a new project. It is asking for the name. So we can put the name simply test project, today's date. Okay. Correct. This is the name. And the second is it is asking the location where we want to create the project. By default, the location is mapped here. See user deal documents, ECAD. This is the existing location. Okay. But if you want to map the new location, we have an option here. It is a browse option. Okay. So I will go with the browse option. Under desktop, there is a cat disk, and I will create a new folder here. 1404. Okay. And here there are 2 to 3 options like OK properties, OK, cancel, description, help. So before creating any project, we need have to set some of the properties. Then I will go with the OK properties. So from here you will come to know the symbol libraries location, schematic icon menu, file, panel, footprint libraries. These are the locations. Okay, if you want to add new any symbol library, so you can directly add from the here. Okay, so that is not mostly required. Okay, so after the project setting we have component tab. So whenever we will insert any tag, so it will directly rename as a F stands for the family and N stands for the number, and percentage is the their syntax. Okay, so in upcoming session we will see what is the family and what is the number. Okay, how the tag, how exactly tag format is and how to change. Okay, and again there is a wire number format, cross reference, styles and drawing format. In upcoming section, how this this will affect on our drawing and what is the importance of this properties, I will explain you. Okay, so for time being I will go with the okay by keeping the default properties. Okay, okay, now you can see this project is created here, and we had set the location here. Under desktop there is a CAD desk folder. Under CAD desk folder 1404 to 2025 is the folder. Again this is the project folder name. This is automatically created. When I will insert, you can see the all the required files. Okay, you can see the icon. This is the WDP file. Okay, you can see here item time WDP file. WDP file extension is for the project only, right? When we will add the new drawing, like drawing number 1, drawing number 2, drawing number 3, drawing number 4, all the drawings will get populated here. That I can show you when I will add the drawing. For time being, I will minimize this folder. Okay, and if you want to add a drawing inside this folder, so we have two options. The first option is by using this new drawing. When I will create new drawing, one drawing will create under this project. Okay, you can see here all projects have this plus sign, but this project don't have any plus sign. This is because no any drawing is inside that project, so there is no any plus sign. You can see here 3 drawings. Here under schematic there are multiple drawings. Okay, here again schematic. Okay, so you can see here no any drawing is there, so plus sign is not there. So what we can do, like this project, we will create a subfolder of the schematic here. So what I will do, I will simply select, I will right click and I will add the subfolder. Okay, like SCHEM schematics. Okay, now you can see here plus sign is populated. So I will expand this, and under schematics I will add the new drawing. Okay, so I have selected this schematic folder, and now I will simply click here new drawing. Okay, so we have one pop-up here, create new drawing, right? So it is asking for a drawing file name, like we can enter the drawing number 1. Okay, and this is, we can put description over here. like this is for the power wiring, POWER, power wiring. Okay, if required, as per the project requirement, we can add description 2 and 3 as well. Okay, and here it is asking for the sheet values. Okay, sheet number 1, drawing number 1. Okay, like we had the project properties for the individual drawing also. There are some properties. Okay, drawing setting, components, wire numbers, cross reference, style, drawing format. In upcoming session, we will see all these tab in. For time being, I will go with the OK option. Okay, now we can expand the schematic tab. We have a drawing number 1. Okay, I hope it is clear now. From here, we have added drawing. The second option, to add the drawing, we need to select schematic folder, right click, and you can see the option new drawing. Correct? So I will select this. Same pop-up is reflected here. Now I will go with the drawing number 2, drawing number 2. Okay, now we don't want to set any setting or any properties. So instead of selecting this OK properties, I will select the OK option. Or here we can put a description like power wiring 1 and OK. Okay. Now you can see 2 drawings as added under the schematic tab. Okay. Now I will move to the data project folder. You can see here drawing number 1, drawing number 2 is added. Earlier drawing number 1, 2 are not here because no any drawing was under that project. Okay, this is how number of drawing will get add here as we add the drawing inside the project. Okay, so if you want to add the drawing which we have already created in the previous project, so how to add the existing drawing that I will show you here. We have added from here new drawing, that is the open drawing, right? No any schematic is there, that is fresh page. You can see here no any symbol, no any wires are there. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to add the existing drawing which we have already created in the previous drawing. Okay, so I will follow same process. I will right click that schematic tab. We have a multiple option. Earlier we had option the new drawing. Now I will select the add drawing option. You can see here add drawing, new drawing. This is the difference between two options. If you want fresh page, then go with the new drawing. If you want to add existing drawing that we have already created in some of the previous projects, so go with the add drawing. Correct? So I will prefer here add drawing. So we have one pop-up here. So from which project we have to add drawing? Here, from here we can add. So this was the project, this existing project we already have. So under this project, there are 3 drawings. So randomly we can select any drawing. So let's consider, I will go with the control drawing, control wiring drawing. I will add. It is asking, do you want to apply the project default values to the drawing setting? Okay. So while creating the project, we have seen that we did have to set the some of the settings, some of the properties for that project. So it is asking, do you want to apply the project default value? Okay. So normally we will go with the yes option. There might be such a possibility that while creating the this drawing, we used the different project settings. So it is asking, do you want to add the project default value? Okay. So we'll go with the yes option. Okay, you can see here control wiring is added, and here as well, not added here. Okay, this control drawing is not added here as the path of this drawing is already fixed. Okay, we have collected this drawing from this project. So control wiring, so path remains same. If you want to confirm that, I will open this option and we'll go to the details. Okay, I have selected this drawing, so you can see the location from this project. We have collected this drawing, and when I will select to drawing number 2, the location will get changed. You can see here. Okay, currently test project 100402025, and then I will select drawing number 2. You can see the location is get changed. Okay, this is our target location 14042025 that we have created today. In file size, last save, rest of the things are also here, right? So this is the project manager. Okay, and if you want to close this project manager tree, sometimes what happen, the drawing size is large, and to we need this complete portion to work on the drawing. At that time, we can close this option from here. Okay, here we have a close up a cross sign. You can see the whole drawing is available. Sorry, whole workspace is available for the drawing. Okay, and again we want to recall that a project manager tree here. So we have a option that is the manager. Under project tab, there is a manager option. Okay, you can see. Okay, so just so we have used the 1 2 for the drawing numbering. If we could have used the any uh, description or any alphabets like control wiring, and we want to change the like from capital to small letter, from small to capital letter. So we no need to again type this control wiring. We have an option here. I will select this project. I will right click, file drawing name to the lowercase. You can see the control wiring is in smaller cap, small letter. Correct. In one go, we directly change. Correct. And again, we want the capital letter. So file name to the uppercase. You can see here. Correct. And now if you want to rename this drawing, I will select the drawing and I will right click. Here we have option rename. Okay. So the rename option is activated. I will remove this one number and I will press. I will enter the POWER power wiring. Okay, and I will click somewhere. You can see the drawing number is renamed. Okay, and now I want to remove this drawing number 2. So we have an option here, remove. We we saw the rename option, how the drawing name is renamed. Now we will use the remove option. So are you sure, do you want to remove the following file? So click yes. You can see drawing number 2 is removed. Okay, again we have option. If you want to replace this control wiring drawing with the other drawing, we have one option here, that is replace. So again we need to navigate the particular project from where we are going to replace any drawing. Okay, so we have these many projects with us, and this is our running project. We have a 3 spare project. So let us consider from this folder I'm going to replace. Okay, let us consider that a PLC. So control wiring drawing will be replaced by the PLC drawing, correct? So I have selected the PLC drawing. Select. Again it is asking to apply the default value setting. Yes, you can see that control wiring drawing is replaced with the PLC drawing, correct? So this is how we use all these shortcut menu, that is how to remove the drawing, how to replace, how to rename. Okay, uh, when we had inserted one new drawing, there was a one option of the drawing properties. After the inserting any page under this project, if again we want to change the any properties, so we have option here. Select the drawing, right click, and then properties. Okay, drawing properties. If we miss anything while adding the drawing, and after that we come to know that we have missed this and this thing, so from here we can change. Okay, and under the schematic tab, here here also we have a drawing properties option. Drawing properties, correct? So from here also we can add the required information. So so far we have seen the how to add the new drawing, how to add the existing drawing, and sometimes what happen, uh, we directly add the drawing from here, and we start to work here, and after that we come to know that this drawing is not added in the test project. So how to add the such a drawing which we have, which we have work. So we have option here, add the active drawing. So far we have seen new drawing, add drawing. Now we will add the active drawing. You can see the drawing number 2 is added here. Okay, so we have seen the project manager here. Now we will move towards the schematic tab. Under schematic tab there are so many options and which we use very frequently, like insert components, edit component, insert wire, edit wire. Okay, so under the icon menu, we will get the symbol library. Okay, so this is the symbol library. Uh, Push button symbols are collected inside this folder. Selector switch symbols are collected inside this folder. Likewise, we have fuses, circuit breaker, relay symbol, timer symbol, motor control, lamps, PLC input output, connector, limit switches, pressure temperatures. Okay, so I will show you how to insert the any symbol and the on the workspace. Right. So I will go with the push button initially. So we have again different push buttons, like this is push button ENO type, this is push button ENC type, ENO or ENC, and I hope you all are knowing about this ENO ENC concept. ENO stands for the normally open, ENC stands for the normally closed. Again, mushroom head, mushroom head ENC. There is a different type of push button, illuminated push button, NC. These are the different types of push buttons. So if we want to insert the mushroom head, I will simply select that symbol is selected here, and it is asking specify the insertion point. Let us consider if you want to add here. So I will select this point. Now we have one pop-up that is asking for the component tagging. Okay, so this is the push button. This comes under the family which we have seen under the project property, that is percentage F. I hope you are remember. And this is the question mark. So we need to retag that push button tab, push button 1. Okay, here are different uh, options, like we can enter the description of that push button, that is like let us consider that this is for the PB1. I think it have, so PB10. Okay, description in the sense the application of that particular device. This is, let us consider this push button is for the start purpose, START. So you can mention here start. Okay, and this is a very important concept, that is the catalog data. Here we need to mention the catalog data. Catalog data means uh, the manufacturer of that device, catalog of that device. Okay, let's consider uh, if you go to the electrician shop and we asked for the MCB, miniature circuit breaker. So when we ask for the MCB, that electrical shop guy will ask the repeat question that what is the rating of the circuit breaker, what make of circuit breaker we need, like Eton make, Allen Bradley make, or rating of that circuit breaker like 1 ampere, 2 ampere, 10 ampere circuit breaker. This information comes under the catalog data, and we need to mention here the manufacturer, catalog number. Okay, so to add this, uh, we have we already have some of the data inside that AUTOCAD electrical by default. So to add this data, we have one option, that is the lookup, catalog lookup option. Okay, please listen carefully. This is an important concept. To add the catalog data, we have one option, lookup. We no need to type here manual like it on make catalog is, let's consider XYZ. We not to enter all these information manually here. Okay, so we have one option, lookup. Under the lookup option, whatever catalog data we have available under the database of the AutoCAD electrical, that is reflected here. You can see so many push button catalog data available here. Correct. Here you can see the catalog number, manufacturer, description. Okay. Here we have one drop down that is for the recently used. So we have not used recently. So this is a blank. Okay. Initially, earlier it has reflected E here. So it on make it on make push buttons are reflected here. Now I have removed this E option here. So all are the other makes push button catalog are reflected here, like AB, LM, Bradley make. Okay. So you can see the this scroll down and up option, how small it is, and AB make, Siemens make, Eaton make, Siemens make, Tele mechanic make. These are the options which we have available already. So as per the client requirement, as per the rating of that push button, we can select. Okay, randomly for the sample project purpose, I will go with this option. Okay, okay, and you can see here automatically all the data has reflected here, like AB make, a catalog, and the assembly code. Okay, okay. So if we want to insert this push button again, so I will go with the OK repeat. If only single push button I need, then I will go with the OK button. I will show you the difference between them. Okay. Firstly, I will go with the OK repeat. Okay. Already PB10 start is inserted here. Okay. I have selected the OK repeat option. So again, it is asking specify the insertion point for the next push button. Let's consider if you want to insert here. So I will click here. Again, it is asking for the component tag. Component tag in the sense name of that symbol. Now, earlier I had used PB10. Now I will use PB20. And here we can change the description. Okay, start push button. Okay, and if you want to change the catalog data, again I will go to the lookup option, and now I will select other one. Here AB to 2.5 mm IC style is mentioned, which is from the earlier component. So only AB make manufacturer listed over here. If you want it on make, then what I can do, I will remove all this text from the search, and again I will search from that from this option. You can see here. So instead of selecting AB, now I will prefer the it on make. Okay, let's consider I'm going to select this one. Okay, okay. You can see here manufacturer is Eaton and the catalog number is this one. Again, I want to insert this same symbol, then I will go with the OK repeat. If we don't want, then go with the OK option. It is asking for the map symbol, the catalog number, or don't map. Normally go with the don't map symbol. In upcoming session, I will explain in detail about this. You can see here I have inserted two push button here. So this is how we insert the push button from the icon menu. Again, I will show you different symbol. Under the schematic tab, we have an icon menu. We have inserted the push button. Now we will insert the selector switch. Again, there are different types of selector switches. Three position, 3 position, 2 position. Okay, 3 position, return from the path, return from the both. Okay, as per the application, we can use. Okay, let us consider we are going to insert 3 position LC. Okay, I have inserted here selector switch number 10. This is for the on off, and again I will look up. Okay, here by default it is taken AB under the search, so only AB manufacturers are listed over. I want other make, and I will remove this, and I will go with the search. Apart from AB, we must have other option: Fuji make, SQD make, telemechanic make. So I will use this telemechanic. Okay, I hope you understand the difference between OK repeat option and OK option. I will go with the OK simply, don't map. So you can see the selector switch push button is inserted here. Okay. Again, I will go to the icon menu. Okay. Yes, this is the fuse circuit breaker. Circuit breaker is not here. We go here. Okay. So circuit breaker single pole and circuit breaker 3 pole. Okay. So I will show you how it will get inserted and what is the difference between them. So I have selected single pole circuit breaker. Correct. Circuit breaker number 10. Okay, I will enter. So only single. Now we will insert 3 pole over here. It is asking built up or down. So this is for the single phase. So for rest of the 2 phases where we need to insert upper side or down side. Okay, let us consider for the upper side. So CB for the another Y phase or for B phase, it will populated on the upper side. If we will go with the up, it is asking for the again tag CB25. Okay, so you can see here 3 pole circuit breaker is created with that dashed line. Okay, this is the single pole. Okay, now if you want to convert a single pole MCB into 3 pole MCB, how we can do that? I can show you here. That is possible by using the dashed line with the linked component. Okay, under the schematic tab we have insert component section. From the icon menu we have inserted the symbol, and at the corner of this section we have one option. You can read out link component with a dashed line. Okay, okay, if you are unable to find the any option, you can move the cursor on that particular icon. Let us consider I will go with this icon, insert connector. This option is for the insert connector. I will go here. This is for the insert PLC. I will move here. This is for the multiple insert. I will move here. You can see here. This is for the multiple bus. Okay. This is how we can navigate or we can identify the function of that icon. Okay. So I will again go to the icon menu. Okay. So we know the circuit breaker symbol is inside this folder, fuses, circuit breaker. Instead of exploring this folder, we have this list that is the recently used symbols. From here also directly you can use. Okay, I have selected this one and I will insert over here. Okay. CB50. Again here, this one, CB55. So these are the three single pole circuit breaker and this is the three-phase circuit breaker. How we can recognize this is for the three-phase and this is for the single phase? By observing this dashed line, we can understand that this is the three-phase and this is the three single pole. Now we want to make this single pole circuit breaker into three-phase circuit breaker. So I will use this option. Again, you can read here, link component with dashed line. Okay, in the image, just a minute. In the image here you can see the push buttons, how the push buttons are interlinked with the dashed line, right? The left side is not interlinked and right side is linked. Here we have some description to identify the function. Link component, link selected component with dashed line, tag, description, cross-referencing attribute of the second row, last components you select for the linking become invisible. By reading this description, you can identify the function. Okay, so I have selected this option. You can see here component to link from. Okay, if you are exploring any new command that you don't know, so simply you can read this instruction and by following this instruction you will achieve your desired result. Okay, so component to link from. So I want to link from this single pole circuit breaker to this and this. So firstly I will select this one. Now the description is changed. The step number 2, component to link to. In earlier it was component to link from. Now it is component to link to. So from this CB10, now it is asking to towards CB50 and CB55. So I will select this one and this one. Correct. I have selected all three. Now I will press simply enter. You can see this is linked by the dashed line. Okay. Again, here let's consider if you want to make a circuit breaker with a three-phase with a neutral, but we don't have such option here. Okay, a three-pole circuit breaker. We don't have here a three-pole with a neutral. Okay, so again we can follow the same process. I will select this circuit breaker and I will insert over here. Okay, for time being keep this question mark. Okay, because when this circuit breaker will link to this dashed line, the tag will get removed. Like you can see here, the tag for this circuit breaker was CB50 and tag for this circuit breaker was the C55. As only one name is there for each component. So the tag which was mentioned here has removed. Like here you can see the CB question mark tag is assigned. Once we link this circuit breaker to this whole circuit breaker, that CB question mark will get removed. Again, we will follow the same process. We'll go with the link component. It is asking component to link from. Already 3 are linked, so I will select this one, and it is asking component to link to. This is the from and this is the to. You can see the CV question mark will get removed. Okay, so I will press the enter. You can see here all are the 4 linked by the dashed line and the CB question mark is removed. Okay, so this is how we can create 3-pole with a neutral circuit breaker. Okay, so today we have seen the project manager, how to add the new project, how to add the new drawing, how to rename, how to replace, how to add the drawing. Okay, as well as about the user interface of the AutoCAD electrical icon menu, how to insert the symbol. So that's all for the today's session. We are going to wind up this session. In upcoming session, we will see all other functions, how it will work. Okay, how the GA is created, how the reports are prepared. Okay, with one or two practical example. So anyone has any doubt? And how was the today's voice? Was it breaking or
Hello,
was it clear?
clear,
Hello.
clear.
Sir, it is
Voice
good
is
now.
clear, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Thanks for the
सर अभी
confirmation.
सर अभी आवाज आ रही है?
हाँ आ रही है.
सर अभी ऑटोकैड का सॉफ्टवेयर इंस्टॉलेशन का लिंक भेज देना, वो हमारे पास नहीं है अभी मेरे पास.
वो एक्चुअली सॉफ्टवेयर के रिगार्डिंग है ना, आपको रोहित सर से कनेक्ट करना पड़ेगा.
सर मैंने कनेक्ट किया 2-3 बार, उनको मैसेज किया, कोई रिप्लाई नहीं आया इसमें.
अच्छा, आप उस ग्रुप में हो क्या? ग्रुप में?
हाँ, ये ग्रुप में हूँ मैं.
ओके. तो एक्चुअली वो लिंक और सॉफ्टवेयर इंस्टॉल के बारे में उनको ही पता है. मैं खाली मतलब टेक्निकल थिंग्स ही मतलब यहाँ पे टीच करता हूँ. सो इट इज बेटर टू कनेक्ट विथ रोहित सर अगेन. सो सॉरी, एक्चुअली आई कांट हेल्प यू ऑन दिस टॉपिक.
ठीक है.
हेलो.
हेलो.
हाँ सर, मुझे अभी एक डाउट है. जो आपने अभी 4 पोल का एक एमसीबी इधर सर्किट ब्रेकर बनाया है,
हाँ.
उसमें कैसे एक स्पेसिफिक स्पेसिंग रहती है इंडिविजुअल में. अगर हमने 3 फेज का ले लिया तो इसमें जो है इक्वली फेज, उसमें जो स्पेसिंग है फेज टू फेज में,
हाँ. हाँ.
यानी कि मान लो उधर 10 mm है, तो ऐसे ही मुझे अगर मुझे 4 पोल का एमसीबी बनाने का है, तो उसमें जो
ओके.
स्पेसिंग रहता है वो ऑटोकैड में स्टैंडर्ड क्या है?
हाँ. एक्चुअली अभी आज कैसा है, तो इंट्रोडक्टरी सेक्शन है ना, तो इसलिए मैंने मतलब
इन
ओपन
जनरल में
स्पेस पे.
बता रहा हूँ, और मुझे
हाँ.
पूछना
हाँ.
था.
हाँ. हाँ. तो ओपन स्पेस पे लिया है. नॉर्मली हम क्या करते हैं, यहाँ पे वायर रहता है, तो वायर की स्पेसिंग जो है
बराबर.
वो 0.5 रहती है. तो हम कैसा करेंगे, 0.5 4 वायर्स. ओके. ओके. So I have drawn here. When I will insert the circuit breaker, that will be like with same spacing 0.5. Just you need to add the dashed line. I hope it is clear.
अ, अगर मुझे फ्री फेसिंग में करना है तो उसमें कुछ ऐसे स्टैंडर्ड स्पेसिंग नहीं है क्या? मल्टीबस लेकर ही करना पड़ेगा क्या वैसे, अगर मुझे ड्रॉ करना होगा तो?
नहीं, ड्रॉ करना होगा तो कैसा रहेगा, यहाँ पे अपने पास टेम्पलेट रहता है. टेम्पलेट में
बराबर.
हम रेफरेंस नंबर लेते हैं. 1 2 3 I can show you just. अभी कैसा है,
डायरेक्ट नंबर।
यहाँ पे हमें रेफरेंस नंबर है। अगर 1 बाय 1 लेना है तो हम क्या करते हैं, तो इसमें से एक ड्रॉ करेंगे, बाद में अगेन जाएंगे, एक करेंगे, ऐसा ऐसा करते हैं। तो नॉर्मली इसका भी स्पेसिंग है ना, तो 0.5 ही रहता है। अभी ये जो हम इंसर्ट करते रेफरेंस लाइन, उसको हम रंग बोलते हैं, यहाँ से हम करते,
हाँ
तो ये 4.5 या 5 लेके मतलब सेम रहता है, ऐसा कुछ मतलब
यूजर
इतना
कन्वीनियंस
नहीं।
के हिसाब से हम ले सकते हैं उसको।
हाँ हाँ बराबर है।
ठीक।
जो नॉर्मली यहाँ पे जो स्टैंडर्ड दिया है ना, इससे यूज करते हैं।
हम्म,
अगर कोई कस्टमर बोलता है कि इतना स्पेसिंग नहीं हो रहा है, वो भी कब करते हैं, अब जैसे कुछ कुछ अभी जैसे सिंबल है, जो उसमें उधर कुछ मतलब ओवरलैपिंग हो रहा है, कुछ जगह नहीं मिल रही है, तो उस टाइम ही खाली हम वो इंक्रीज करते हैं नॉर्मली इस पे ही। अभी तक तो मैंने देखा है कि इस पे ही करते, तो ऐसे हम सिंगल 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 भी कर सकते हैं। मतलब इससे स्लो हो जाता है, तो नॉर्मली हम मल्टीपल यूज करते हैं। तो कैसे रहता है, अपना ड्राफ्टिंग स्पीड
स्पीड से।
बहुत अच्छा रहना चाहिए, इसलिए हम ऑटो का इलेक्ट्रिकल कर रहे हैं। अगर 1 बाय 1 नहीं करना है तो प्लेन कैड पे करते, प्लेन कैड पे करना है तो लाइन लेंगे, और इससे हम ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं, बराबर है ना। तो ये यूज इसलिए कर रहे हैं कि फटाफट काम होना चाहिए, बाकी कुछ नहीं। सो और किसी को कुछ डाउट है? सो ओके देन, हम वाइंड अप करते हैं। थैंक यू बाय बाय।